Hey there, we've got some scalp treatment solutions for you today. I'm a trichologist, which is a hair and scalp specialist. So in this particular case, they presented with a really itchy scalp, this recurring scalp scale, and they had this scalp oil as well. So we're going with the microscope, and we can see there's a lot of surface dead skin, but it's right down in what we call the dermis. So it's really deep down into the layers of the scalp. So we performed a scalp treatment, and this was literally 20 minutes later, and we can clean that up. So we're going to talk you through what we did here. In this situation, it's always a good idea to check blood tests as well, because seeing these types of things represent you've got low essential fatty acids or low vitamin D. So the topical products alone won't work if you've actually got sort of low levels and deficiencies. So anyway, we, in this case, would always use a scalp brush as exfoliation, circulation and stimulation. And what it helps is to bring that dead skin up, and it's going to help with the health of all the layers so we can get ongoing improvement. We did use a scalp exfoliant here, which is a pre-wash type of treatment. You can do this at home. It feels amazing, and that itch literally soothes away straight away. And repeatedly doing it over a month or so, it's completely gone. In this case, we chose the Aveda Scalp Solutions Scalp Cleanser, and it worked here, an absolute treat. And then we want to put some moisture back into the scalp. So we chose our Activance product here because we also had some hair concerns. So sometimes we're combining scalp problems with hair concerns, so I use that there. We want to mention here, if you've got longer hair, longer than 10 centimeters, you also need to use hair products. Scalp products are fantastic for addressing these types of issues, but if you've got longer hair needs, colored hair, dry hair, curly hair, things like that, you must also incorporate hair shampoo and conditioner. So we did in this case, and it's really important when you have like scalp concerns like itch and scale and oil, that you keep your hair products off the scalp. So for this place, we're using particular scalp products, and we're separating the hair and scalp with the hair things there as well. Frequency of doing this: when you have an itchy scalp or recurring scalp conditions, I would start doing it every other day. So every second day until you have resolution, meaning the scale isn't returning as frequently or the itch has gone. Then I would go to doing it 3 times a week. And then once you've got complete resolution, you can go back to twice a week. And I would always recommend hair washing at least twice a week to maintain a healthy scalp. Now, sometimes we will use different types of scalp moisturizers or products, and it really depends on our microscopic diagnosis and what you say that your concerns are, and then we build a unique program for you and your hair. So as a trichologist, I'm a hair and scalp specialist, but we really do get great resolution with these annoying recurring scalp problems. So if you'd like my help or you have a question for me, what you want to do is email me. It's info@absolique.com.au.